Why do some men, after the age of 60, still maintain vibrant health, while others face declining vitality and persistent fatigue? At an age when many begin to accept aging as inevitable, there are still natural solutions that bring renewed vitality without the need for medication. I've heard many men share that they still try to eat well and exercise regularly, yet they still feel their bodies are deteriorating, especially in their intimate lives. Many feel a loss of confidence, even shame, when they can no longer perform as they once did. What many men don't realize is that these signs of decline are not an unavoidable part of aging. In reality, poor blood circulation is the main cause of decreased vitality in older men, and this can absolutely be improved if you know how. In today's video, I will share a natural drink recipe made from 4 common ingredients: beet juice, cayenne pepper, L-Arginine in L-Citrulline powder, and pomegranate juice, which has helped thousands of men over 60 regain their strength naturally, safely, and sustainably. If you find this topic helpful, don't forget to hit like and share it so more people can benefit. Leave a comment if you've ever experienced a decline in vitality, or if you're simply looking for a natural solution for your health in later years. Now let's dive into this special formula, something that could be the first step to reviving your masculine strength. There is a truth not everyone dares to face. After the age of 60, the body begins to change silently. Energy declines, erections become unpredictable, and confidence, the foundation of many relationships, starts to fade. But the amazing thing is, you don't have to accept this as just a part of getting older, because there is a simple, natural, and powerful solution, just from 1 glass of juice a day. To prepare it, you only need 2 fresh beets, a familiar root vegetable, but one that contains a very high level of natural nitrates. Blend them with half a cup of clean water to create a nutrient-rich base. Then add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a spicy ingredient that's incredibly effective at boosting blood circulation. Next, stir in 1.5 teaspoons of a powder blend of L-Arginine and L-Citrulline, 2 essential amino acids that have been thoroughly studied for their ability to dilate blood vessels, increase blood flow, and support male sexual function. Finally, add half a cup of pure pomegranate juice, a fruit known as the king of antioxidants. The result is a glass of juice that not only has a vibrant red color, but also holds hidden revitalizing power. Drink it on an empty stomach, about 30 to 45 minutes before any activity, to allow the body to fully absorb and maximize its benefits. Why is this formula so special? Let's take a closer look at each of the ingredients. Have you ever thought that a simple root vegetable could be the key to unlocking a powerful flow throughout your body, from blood circulation to male vitality? If you've ever experienced cold hands and feet in the morning, a foggy mind, or moments of physiological imbalance that undermine your confidence, then poor blood circulation might be the hidden culprit. And beetroot, a vegetable many people overlook in the produce aisle, has the potential to change that. Beets contain an extremely high level of natural nitrates. Once inside the body, nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, a molecule that acts like a green light for the circulatory system, allowing blood vessels to dilate and blood to flow more easily, more rapidly, and more deeply to every cell. This is especially vital for men over 60, whose ability to naturally produce nitric oxide declines significantly. Numerous studies have shown that boosting nitric oxide can significantly improve erection quality, enhance sexual performance, and, most remarkably, create a renewed sense of energy that spreads throughout the body after just a few days of regular use. The body becomes more flexible, the mind clearer, and the heart beats stronger and more vibrant. This isn't just dry biological data. These are signs that your body is being reawakened, that blood flow is being restored, vitality is returning, and self-confidence is beginning to come back. No complex treatments needed, no large investments. Just 1 glass of fresh beet juice each morning before breakfast is enough to spark this powerful chain reaction in your biology. If you're seeking a natural way to restore your vitality and youthful vigor, beetroot is the ideal starting point. And now that we've understood the power of this humble root, let's move on to the next ingredient, something that accelerates this flow and brings a stronger, more radiant feeling every single day. Be honest with yourself. How long has it been since you last felt vitality radiating throughout your body? How long has it been since you felt in control, whether at work, in daily life, or during intimate moments? You may think that this decline is an inevitable part of aging, but in reality, your body is simply waiting to be awakened by powerful signals you've neglected for far too long. The problem doesn't lie in aging itself. It lies in the slowing down of blood circulation, something that makes the heart work harder, clouds the brain, and causes you to lose control at critical moments. Many people turn to instant stimulants, but those are only short-term solutions, sometimes even making things worse. What you truly need is not artificial fire, but a natural fuel strong enough to awaken every flow within your body. That's where cayenne pepper comes in, a spice many use only for seasoning, but in fact it's a superfood for the circulatory system. The compound capsaicin in cayenne pepper has been proven to powerfully dilate blood vessels and naturally increase blood flow. When the capillaries expand, blood carries oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, helping the heart work more efficiently, muscles become firmer, and, most importantly, erections become stronger and more sustainable. Not only that, but capsaicin also helps reduce inflammation, a hidden factor that undermines male sexual health. In other words, cayenne not only adds fire to your circulation, but also calms the silent flames within your body. You don't need to eat so much spice that your mouth burns. Just half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper mixed into your morning drink, along with beetroot, amino acids, and pomegranate, is enough for your body to start feeling the difference. Maintain this consistently for 1 week, and you'll begin to feel improved blood flow, a clearer mind, more positive emotions, and, most importantly, your confidence slowly returning. When blood flows freely, your entire body transforms. No more freezing hands and feet, no more vague restlessness. Every morning becomes a reminder that you are still strong, still in control of the vitality within you, and every intimate moment no longer feels like a worry, but instead becomes a confident, fiery, and deeply connected experience. It's no coincidence that many nutrition and medical experts refer to L-Arginine and L-Citrulline as a powerful duo in restoring male vitality. These are not just ordinary amino acids. They are key players in the production and maintenance of nitric oxide, the essential molecule that helps dilate blood vessels, improve circulation, and enhance sexual performance. L-Arginine is a semi-essential amino acid, meaning the body can produce some of it, but not enough as you age or face prolonged stress. It serves as the direct raw material for producing nitric oxide, which allows blood to flow more freely. Meanwhile, L-Citrulline acts as a precursor that helps the body regenerate L-Arginine naturally and maintain stable nitric oxide levels over a longer period. In terms of effectiveness, you can think of it simply: L-Arginine is the starter switch, while L-Citrulline is the booster that keeps the energy from dropping midway. When combined, they not only improve erection quality, but also enhance stamina, vigor, and reduce fatigue throughout the day. Moreover, the benefits of these two amino acids go far beyond sexual health. Nitric oxide plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure, improving blood flow to the brain, supporting heart function, and aiding muscle recovery. Many professional athletes also use L-Arginine and L-Citrulline as part of their nutrition regimen to boost endurance and physical performance. You can easily find them at supplement stores, pharmacies, or on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, iHerb, or specialized nutrition websites. They're commonly sold in powder or capsule form, and powder is the ideal choice for mixing into your daily drink. Just 1.5 teaspoons of a blended L-Arginine and L-Citrulline powder each morning, when combined with beetroot, cayenne pepper, and pomegranate juice, is enough to trigger a chain of biological responses that bring real transformation. You'll feel the difference: better blood flow, more stable energy, and your vitality returning naturally and sustainably. This isn't magic. It's the result of understanding the science, applying it correctly, and staying consistent. And it all begins with one simple glass of water a day, but a glass infused with a smart, science-backed formula proven by real-world results. Some things may seem like just simple dessert fruits, yet they hold astonishing regenerative power, especially for male vitality after the age of 60. Pomegranate is one such example. If you've ever felt winded from light activity or noticed a loss of desire without any clear reason, it could be that your body is lacking a crucial element: support for cardiovascular health and male hormones. And that is exactly where pure pomegranate juice shines. Pomegranate is rich in polyphenols, a group of powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and improve blood circulation. Numerous studies have shown that pomegranate juice helps increase nitric oxide levels in the blood, much like beetroot, while also supporting heart health, a foundational factor in maintaining strong erections, stamina, and confidence in intimacy. Beyond that, pomegranate is also known as a powerful ally in naturally boosting testosterone, the key hormone that governs feelings of masculinity, energy, erection strength, and even a positive mental state. For older men, as testosterone levels gradually decline, pomegranate juice offers a gentle yet effective way to support hormonal regulation without resorting to medications or synthetic hormones. Moreover, the sweet and tart flavor of pomegranate creates a perfect balance for your morning drink, neutralizing the earthy taste of beetroot and the spiciness of cayenne pepper. Together, they form an experience that is not only health-enhancing, but also easy to enjoy as a daily habit. You can easily find pure pomegranate juice at supermarkets, organic food stores, or online platforms. Be sure to choose a 100% pure, unsweetened variety to ensure maximum effectiveness. Add half a cup of pomegranate juice to the formula, not just to make the drink more appealing, but to strengthen your blood vessels, boost natural testosterone, and build lasting endurance, both physically and mentally. Because a strong body isn't just about muscles or physical strength, it begins from within, through proper circulation, a healthy heart, and a well-functioning hormone system. And all of that you can find in the rich, vibrant, and life-giving drops of deep red pomegranate juice. This combination of ingredients doesn't just target a single symptom, it addresses the root of the problem in a comprehensive way. Poor blood circulation is the core cause behind erectile dysfunction, loss of energy, and prolonged fatigue. When blood vessels don't dilate sufficiently, the blood supply to key areas, especially the pelvic region, is restricted. This not only affects the ability to achieve and maintain an erection, but also leaves men feeling drained, irritable, and disconnected from their partners. The blend of beetroot and cayenne pepper creates an immediate biological reaction that stimulates circulation. Meanwhile, L-Arginine and L-Citrulline work like a team of internal engineers, expanding and softening blood vessels, thereby enhancing blood flow to every cell. Pomegranate juice, in addition to its anti-inflammatory properties and natural testosterone support, also provides a mild sweetness that balances the spiciness of cayenne and the earthiness of beetroot, making the drink pleasant and even addictive. The benefits go beyond just erectile function. Many have reported feeling more energized throughout the day, being in a better mood, and most importantly, regaining their confidence. A quiet, grounded kind of confidence, not from medication or expensive treatments, but from the empowering sense of being in control of one's own body. Sexual health is only the tip of the iceberg. Beneath it lies self-esteem, marital connection, and the feeling of truly being alive. And all of that begins with one small decision: choosing to make this drink a part of your daily routine. The best part is, you don't have to overhaul your entire lifestyle. No need to spend 2 hours a day in the gym or completely give up your favorite foods. Just add 1 glass of this drink to your morning, like a signal to your body that you still care about your health, that you still want to live fully, and that you still deserve connection and happiness. Science has already confirmed the power of each ingredient. Real-life experience has proven the effectiveness for thousands. The rest is up to you. Start today. Try it consistently for 7 days and feel the transformation. You may be surprised at how quickly your body responds. You may rediscover things you thought were lost, and perhaps you'll begin a whole new chapter of your life. With just 1 glass, the change is real. Thank you for spending your time here and listening. Your attention is a clear sign that you genuinely care about your health, vitality, and quality of life, something not everyone has the courage to face at this stage in life. We've journeyed through ingredients that may seem familiar: beetroot, cayenne pepper, the amino acids L-Arginine and L-Citrulline, and pomegranate juice. But now you understand more deeply how they work, how they interact, and how together they form a natural yet powerful formula. This isn't just a drink, it's a life choice, a choice to live healthily, proactively, and with connection and energy. So what have you learned from this journey? What's the first thing you're considering changing in your morning routine? Feel free to share your honest thoughts, because that might just be the motivation someone else needs who's going through the same thing. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit like and share it with friends or loved ones, people who might be in need of a natural, safe, and effective solution like this. Your small action today could be the starting point of a chain of positive change in someone's life. And if you'd like to continue this journey together, make sure to subscribe or follow so you won't miss future insights on health, male vitality, and living fully after 60. This journey isn't just yours, it's ours, because you're never too old to start living better. And it's never too late to reclaim control of your life, your health, and yourself.